RIGAS is a standard gas certification institute that produces, analyzes, and studies various gas and liquid standard materials of various specifications. Since its establishment in 1998, RIGAS has pioneered the domestic standard gas market through the localization of standard gas and has established itself as the only standard gas company in Korea that is qualified to manufacture hundreds of thousands of mixed gases. RIGAS supplies excellent products to various industries, maintains traceability, and provides more accurate reference materials. RIGAS is supplying reference gases of various specifications that customers want, such as for atmospheric environment measurement, petrochemical process, natural gas, toxic gas measurement, odor measurement, gas detector, volatile organic compounds, specific atmospheric hazardous substances, ozone precursor mixture, and toxic organic compounds mixture. RIGAS 1 is a 1-liter small high-pressure container that can be easily used anytime, anywhere. It can be recharged as well as supply standard gases of various components and concentrations, such as for calibration of detectors. The regulator, developed by RIGAS, is a product that improves the accuracy of analysis results by minimizing adsorption through a special inner surface treatment. RIGAS Pass easily removes contaminants that may be introduced in the process of transferring samples before and after analysis to the equipment, and improves adsorption and desorption issues to shorten analysis time and obtain more accurate analysis values. RIGAS supplies the best products that customers can trust with thorough quality control using self-developed automated manufacturing and analysis system. Reference gases produced by RIGAS are precisely and accurately analyzed and checked through analysis automation systems such as GC, FTIR, and NDIR. RIGAS, Research Institute of Gas Analytical Science, conducts research on the development, manufacture of reference gases, and improvement of analysis methods, and applies its self-developed technology to the production process to improve the quality of reference gases. In addition, we are developing and distributing related equipment and new products, so that reference gases can be used more conveniently and accurately. RIGAS is an internationally accredited testing laboratory and standard material production organization accredited by Korean Agency for Technology and Standards of the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy. RIGAS is a publicly trusted company that conducts international accredited testing for gas in the field of chemical testing with guaranteed precision and accuracy based on Korea Laboratory Accreditation Scheme's reliability and supply CRM. We create better standards. A standard gas company, RIGAS.